off. Damn, I just took 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 off.
What's up? Papa up in the house. So we got the Avalanche back again. And purchased this little box right here. Just go in here. So it's fitting pretty snug, but we're gonna go ahead and make sure it's secured down to the floor. And what we're putting in here, it's gonna be this 1501D little amplifier, and then 2 Scar VD12s that's going in there. So I believe these are the shallow mounts. Let's take a look at them. Pretty. Take one over. Boom, good fit. So if you're in the market to get one of these, that's what you're gonna need. So the amp, I figure I'll make a little plate right here. Just gonna go right there, mount to this part, and then I was gonna put it up here, but we may have to remove that sometime, so I figured I'd put it down here. And there's enough room back there, so I think it won't obstruct anything, but we'll make sure of that. So let's go ahead and start making this plate right here. It's gonna be out of wood, and put a little carpet on it. So let's get started. So the ideal is to have the amp wires right here, run inside of here, all the way up, and then to the front of the vehicle. And what I'm gonna do is ground it to this little ground point right here, up under this seat. So what I have to do is go ahead and remove this box that I got in here that I test fitted, and then get it to where I can access that bolt, so I can make the groundwork. So now we're getting ready to run the power cable. And if you look, I've got my drill. There's a little grommet up at the top, and I'll show you where it ends up coming out at. Right there. You see the drill bit? Gotta do is cut a little line inside of the grommet. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my wire and run it through there, so it can come up through here. And we kind of route it around here, get it out the way of everything, and get it to come over to this side, or possibly around here, then come around to this side. So I can attach it to this box right here, so the wire won't move. So let's go ahead and fish the wire through there and get that done. So this is kind of where the amp's gonna sit. Seat laid back good. Drill a hole right here so the wires can like come up through here. Then drill a hole down here with this Forstner bit, so the ground wire can come out through there somewhere, and hook to the seat back there. So let's go ahead and get that done.